Hello everyone, I am your teacher Glaiza, and today we will talk about our lesson for today, the addition, including the sum, addends, and the three properties of addition, which are the commutative property of addition or CPA, identity property of addition or IPA, and the last one is the associative property of addition or APA. Are you all excited, class? Okay, let's begin. Oh, but wait. But before that, we will talk about first what is addition, class. Okay? When we say addition, class, it is a mathematical operation that combining two or more numbers to get the total. Like for example, class, if I have here two slippers on the left side and I have also here two slippers on the right side, when we combine it together, we will count it all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer, class? So the total of these is equal to 4, okay? So that is an example of addition, class, and the meaning, of course, of what is addition. And now let's talk about what is sum and addends, okay? When we add numbers, the numbers that we are adding is called the addends. And the final answer that we get after adding them all is called the sum, okay? Like for example, class, if I have here 3 colored pencils on the left side and I have also here 2 colored pencils on the right side, 3 plus 2 colored pencils, we called it addends. And when we get the final answer, we called it the sum. So let's get the final answer. We will count it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the final answer? So the final answer of 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, or the sum of 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, okay? So that was all about for the addends and sum, class. And now let's move on to our main part of our lesson, class, the properties of addition. These properties, class, help us understand on how addition works in different ways. And now let's begin to the first properties of addition, the commutative property of addition or CPA. So what is commutative property of addition, teacher? Commutative property of addition, class. This properties explains that changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. Like for example, class, I have here 4 candies on my left hand. I have also here 3 candies on my right hand. When I combine 4 plus 3, the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candies. When I reverse it naman, class, I have here 3 candies on my left hand. I have also here 4 candies on my right hand. When I combine 3 plus 4, the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still the same, class. The answer will be 7, okay? Whether you put first the 3 candies or 4 candies, when you combine it together, the answer will be the same. Different order, but still the same answer. So that was all about for the commutative property of addition, class. And now, let's proceed to the associative property of addition. What is associative property of addition naman, teacher? When we say associative property of addition, class, it tells us that when adding 3 or more numbers does not matter which we group together first because the sum stays the same. Like for example, class, if we group 2 plus 3, it is equal to 5. And we will add another 1 plus 1. So the answer will be 5 plus 1, class, is equal to 6. And we will create another problem, class. So 2 plus 3 plus 1. So if we group 3 plus 1 class, the answer will be 4. And we will add another 1d plus 2. So when we add 4 plus 2 class, the answer will be 6. Still the same answer class. Even though we change the groupings class, the answer class will be the same class, okay? So that was all about for the associative property of addition class. And now let's proceed to the last property of addition, which is the identity property of addition or IPA. What is identity property of addition naman, teacher? When we say identity property of addition naman, class, adding 0 to any number does not change its value, okay? Like for example, class, if you have 5 candies, class, and you will add 0 candies, so 5 plus 0, class, is equal to 5, class. Why 5, teacher? Because, class, you didn't add any candies, so the number of these candies is still the same. To sum it up, our lesson for today, class, addition means combining numbers. Addends are the numbers that being added. Sum is the answer. Commutative property says the order of addends doesn't matter. Associative property says that grouping of addends doesn't matter. And for the last one is identity property says adding 0 keeps the number the same. Okay?